Hello everyone, I am Jyoti Vashist from Surat School Rewari. Students, today we are going to discuss the topic allotropes of carbon from class 10th chemistry, chapter carbon and compounds. Carbon has two types of allotropes, amorphous which do not have a particular shape and crystalline which have a particular shape. Amorphous have three called coal, charcoal and lampblack. And crystalline are also three: diamond, graphite and Buckminster fullerene. So we are studying the three crystalline allotrope forms of carbon. Diamond. Diamond is a shiny physical form of carbon. In diamond, all the carbons are arranged in tetrahedral arrangement, in which the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. So due to the tetrahedral arrangement, carbon uses its all the 4 valence electrons for bonding. That's why no free electron available. So that diamond is bad conductor of electricity. Due to the tetrahedral arrangement, these bonds are very hard, very strong. That's why diamond is very hard in nature. Diamond has very high refractive index. That's why it shows total internal reflection and it is very shiny in nature. Students, diamond is shiny, so it's used in jewelry, ornaments. Diamond is hard, so it is used in drill machines for cutting the glass. Diamond is used in surgery of soft body organs, etc. Now, graphite. Graphite is the soft allotrope of carbon, in which carbon is arranged in hexagonal rings like this way on layered structure. Like this way. In graphite, the hexagons of carbon are present in a layered structure which joined each other by weak van der Waal force. This force is used to attach these layers of hexagons, which can be easily break by small force. That's why graphite forms a black mark on paper. That's why graphite is used as the lead of pencil. In graphite, carbon use only 3 valence electrons in bonding. So each and every carbon of layer of hexagon in graphite consists one free electron, which can conduct the electricity. That's why graphite is the good conductor of electricity. Graphite is good conductor of electricity, so it is used in electronic gadgets, used in dry cells, etc. Now the Buckminster fullerene. Students, fullerene is the recently discovered allotrope of carbon. In a molecule of fullerene, 60 carbons are present. C60, it is the most common molecular formula of fullerene. The other fullerene are also C70, C80, etc. These 60 carbons are arranged in a spherical arrangement like ball, like football, in which 20 hexagons and 12 pentagons are arranged. So now again, diamond is a shiny crystalline form of carbon in which carbon is in tetrahedral arrangement. Graphite is a dull blackish color crystalline form of carbon in which carbon is in hexagonal layered structure. Buckminster fullerene is the recently discovered allotrope of carbon in which 60 carbons are arranged in a spherical shape like football, in which 20 hexagonal rings and 12 pentagonal rings are arranged. Allotropy is, all these are the allotropes of carbon, and allotropy is the phenomena in which an element is found in different physical forms in nature. Students, these physical forms have different appearance, different physical properties, but they all have similar chemical properties. Diamond, graphite and fullerene all show same type of chemical reactions, but shows different appearance, different physical properties. Thank you and have a nice day.